I'm doing a data entry job for the past 5 days. They are asking me to pay a portal charge of 8500 due to lack of accuracy. Kindly help me to come out of this. The agreement was between me and the shipment solution. So like this, many people are getting this type of messages that they are supposed to pay the money. Initially they get a message detailed that free of cost without any fee registration. They are providing the job work from home part time where they are supposed to fill up the form and they have to do a 90% accuracy. They are going to get a salary weekly 25,000, and but after some days, 4 to 5 days only, when they submit the work by doing day and night, they tell them that you have not done the work as per the term and condition. There is no 90% accuracy. You have to pay the portal charge. Otherwise, FIR will going to be registered against you. Legal notice will be issued against you. You have to come to the court, police station. 15,000, 20,000, 70,000. You have to pay. Another company name that is a variant solution. They are also asking a penalty whichever I did not even done any mistake. I thought they changed my form. Please help me. Like this, many people are getting legal notices, threatening message, call from these type of data entry, form filling, captcha filling, work from home, part-time job. So in case you have also received any notice, any message where they demand penalty charge, legal charge, or a portal charge, or a cancellation agreement charge, or a to close the file charge, or advocate fee, or any legal fee, you don't have to pay. They are just doing a cyber fraud on the name of giving a part-time work. They are actually doing the extortion. Even if you pay them initially whatever they are demanding, again they will demand double money, and like this they keep on blackmailing, doing the extortion on the name of court, police and lawyer. So you don't have to worry at all, nothing they can do in actual. So please share the video so that other people can also become aware, also not get into the trap of these type of part-time work online job. So please share, because many people search for these type of jobs and they get the offer and they waste their time and money. In case you also get into their trap, you are having any issue, doubt, you can WhatsApp us. But please, before that, like the video, share it, subscribe our channel, and make other also people aware by sharing the video.